me out in Ross. I got on my black ones. Do I need these gray ones? I kind of want them. Oh, let me get some tan ones. But I don't know if they have it in my size. I don't want the long ones. Let's see. Them is plain. I don't really like the plain. Let's see. I don't even know where Mama is. She came in before me. Oh, what's these? These. That's the color I really, really want. I really don't need. But I love them. So, we'll see y'all. Let's go find Mama. So y'all, Mama had left me and went to another store. So I called in reinforcements. Kashira. And she talked me out of them boots, y'all, because I did not need them boots. But now we in Marshall's and trying to find some Christmas gifts, some clothes for some people. They really ain't got too much in here. And I don't know if I feel like digging through all this stuff. Mama's in here somewhere. But yeah, y'all, she talked me out of them boots too quick. Knowing daggone well I didn't need them boots. But alright, y'all, let's see what we can find. What you doing with that bag?
Oh, what bag? Right in it.
Are you serious?
I don't want my hair to go home.
You think he like this?
I don't know. That's extra large. How much is that?
$24.99.
Ooh. Yeah, that's good. William got one like that.
Cause he said he need jackets and jeans.
She said, "Are you fanning with that?" Yeah. You ain't gonna hit my hair,
How much is it? No, I like that other one better.
The one you got?
Yeah. Cause it's like
why you didn't get the one for 10?
Cause I'd rather spend more money and get what he need.
Oh. Wasn't it just a shirt?
Yeah.
I don't get it.
When I can get this jacket.
Oh, you don't want to get both?
No.
Oh, okay. It's your brother-in-law's phone.
What is that supposed to mean?
I mean, I would think you'd be spending like $100.
What?
Oh, no. Okay.
I have not kids. I just want to find them some jeans, but it look like that ain't finna happen to him.
You want name brand?
I don't think he care. They don't have his size, y'all. Or wait, let's see. I should get him some pink shorts. They'd be like, what? Them are not cute. Uh-oh, coming off the hanger. He might like these, but he needs 40, 32. No. Oh my gosh. trying to find nothing for Chris. Both one of these sweaters. Oh, that would be hilarious. Yeah, I don't know if I have the energy to finish decorating the house. I'll be honest. So y'all might not be getting that from me this Vlogmas. I'm not feeling it. I don't know. This is cute. $12.99. $9.99. I would like to put something on my bar though, like some sort of centerpiece or something. That would be cute. So why mama in the daggum Marshall's talking about, so do people not care if they smell like marijuana? And I'm like, I don't know. I guess it depends on the person. And she talking about, I'm high. She got the bag and is fanning herself talking about, well, maybe this is why I'm hot. Oh my gosh, I got a contact high. And I think the guy was standing there. Was that him standing in front of us in the line?
The black guy, yeah.
She was like, oh, let me stay back here. I don't want to get no higher. Mother, you was acting crazy. You got a contact high?
I'm hungry.
He was pretty loud though.
See?
He was pretty loud. And I know he smelled like marijuana. Like,
now
you
apologize to me because
you could tell by how he was standing that he knew he smelled like something.
Woo.
Okay, so we about to go up here and get these people some money because they lost their job and they sound good, and then we're gonna go do DD's.
I ain't going in.
What you mean you're not going in?
Can't do it.
So you can go to 1, 2, 3 stores, but you can't go to DD's.
DD's is out of my... Okay, I might go in there. I do have one other gift.
You think that's really him playing, or do you think they got a soundtrack or something playing?
I don't know.
Okay, he may be really playing for real, for real. Go and give him the money. Huh? DD's. I need one of them little card things, y'all, because I don't be always want to carry my purse or my full wallet. So I want like just one of these or something. Like, I don't need all of this. I just want a little card thing. But I don't know if they sell just them. Alright, y'all, copyright. Well, y'all, I was gonna try to get my nephew a toy or something for Christmas, but they don't really have nothing. And you know, they not gonna do nothing but play with the dadgum box anyway, instead of the toy. There's no telling. I don't know what I'm gonna find him, y'all. Oh, everybody needs one of these. Oh. This look like a little Big Locs. I said this look like a little Big Locs. But
see, then I bring them more shoes back. You know, we only been and spent like $10.
them shoes you've been talking about taking back for I don't know how long.
No, I had got these for Alice for little Raymond. But I told her, I said, you might as well give her like some Nike slides. That's what they were.
I was like, Little Raymond? Dang, mama, you gonna break the dough. He ain't little no more. That sister not in her. I got to get this, y'all, because this is me all day, every day. You said you got to get what for $5? What's $5? Huh? I can't hear you.
The pajamas.
Oh, the pajamas. You need pajamas? Oh, yeah. The border, y'all.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
This border sample look different, y'all.
Okay, I don't
know if I'm
put too much
pleased.
on you. I was like, oh, that might be too much. I probably shouldn't have. Okay. Okay. Oh, look at the tree. That tree is cute.
You can go now. Hit that, huh?
I got it.
You got it. Are you? She can't get it. Okay, wait. Maybe you should have had that drink and on the border, because she all up on the car. Why do you put so much gas? Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Okay. Alrighty then. Oh, y'all, we still out shopping.
Yeah.
I don't know when I'm going to finally make it home. Fooling with my mother. Good grief. Where is this woman? $35 just seemed like so much. I don't know if I can do it. I'm used to them being on sale. Yeah, when you come in here and have a coupon and they be on sale. Man, $35? Can I justify it? Jeez Louise. Alright, y'all. I'm actually doing it. You can never have too many black pairs of undies. Okay? Never.